Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Immigration USA. Today I have some great news for certain TPS recipients. So I got this email from the USCIS, and this says DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, published a federal notice announcing the extension and re-registration periods for temporary protected status for El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, and Sudan. So we're going to break it down in this video, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this email I got it from the USCIS. It's a great news for certain TPS recipient. So I'm going to read the email and then I'm going to post it on the description down below. So this says that Washington, consistent with its September announcement, the Department of Homeland Security today published a Federal Register notice reiterating the extension of periods to re-register for temporary protected status TPS under the new existing designations of El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, and Sudan. As previously announced, the re-registration period for each country is changing from 60 days to a full length of each country current TPS registration extension. So it says the 18 months re-registration period for current TPS beneficiaries under the designation of El Salvador is currently open and runs through March 9, 2025. Haiti is currently open and it runs through August 3rd, 2024. Honduras is currently open and runs through July 5th, 2025. And Nepal is currently open and runs through June 24, 2025. Nicaragua is currently open and runs through July 5th, 2025. And Sudan currently open and now runs through April 19, 2025. So those are the extension dates. And also let's continue reading, and it says extending re-registration allow current TPS beneficiaries to submit the form I-821, which is the application for temporary protected status, and at any time during full extension of the TPS designation of these 6 countries. They also may submit the form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization. So that's a work permit that allows you to work in the U.S. and also to obtain an employment authorization document if desired, if you want to get one. You are eligible for TPS, okay? You apply, you submit the application I-821. So that's the application for TPS. Might as well apply for the work permit, okay? So you would want to have a work permit so you can work in this country. And to obtain employment authorization document if desired during the full extension period, okay? And this announcement does not change the previous announcement extension of TPS designations for these 6 countries, and it does not change the eligibility requirement. This registration extension is solely for TPS beneficiaries who properly filed the TPS during a previous registration period. Okay, so Secretary of Homeland Security Alejandro Mayorkas previously announced on June 13, 2023 that he would rescind the previous administration's termination of TPS designations for El Salvador, Honduras, Nepal, and Nicaragua, and extend TPS designation for these countries for 18 months. Re-registration period under these TPS designations were initially set for 60 days. However, DHS re-evaluate the length of the re-registration period due to unique circumstances surrounding these designations. On September 8, 2023, DHS announced the extension of re-registration period for those 6 TPS designations in full length of the TPS designation extension. So limiting the re-registration period for 60 days for those particular beneficiaries may place a burden on application who cannot timely file but who otherwise would be eligible to re-register for TPS. In particular, ongoing litigation resulted in overlapping period of TPS validity that were announced several federal register notice, which may confuse some current beneficiaries. This notice allows beneficiaries of these countries who have not been required to register for TPS for the past few years due to litigation to re-register through the entire designation period. The Federal Register Notice does not change the previous announced extension of the TPS designation for the 6 countries. It does not change the eligibility requirement or add any newly eligibility beneficiaries. It simply extends the period who existing beneficiaries may register for their benefits. Okay, but again, it sounds a little bit confusing, so you must consult an attorney. Hire an attorney who knows the rules and also who understands all these message. That attorney will help you to submit your application. And also, those attorneys, they know the immigration rules, they understand TPS, how it works, and they know when you should apply, and they know the registration periods. So make sure you consult an attorney and pay the fee, pay the money if you don't want to make a mistake on your application. So the attorney is the one that can help you, guide you, a good attorney through the process. So check the link down below for more details for the entire email. So the entire email will explain fully the situation, so you can avoid making mistakes on your application. All right, guys, so this is it. That's all I got for the TPS. Great news. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.